In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up and use the WebTess Discipline, Behavior, and Incident Tracking System. You can use WebTess Discipline to record and track student behavior, penalties assigned, and penalty points accumulated. Generate detailed reports of behavior, penalties, and outcomes, and identify problems so corrective measures can be taken. We'll begin by going to Discipline, Setup, where we can set up the codes used for behavior, results, locations, and reasons. Under Behavior Codes, we can create codes and descriptions for any incidents that we want to keep track of. Each behavior code can be assigned a point value which corresponds to the severity of the incident. The result codes are used to record what happened as a result of the incident, such as a detention, or a letter to the parent, or suspension. The location codes are used to indicate where the incident took place. The reason codes are used to record the excuse or explanation for the incident and to describe the events that led to the incident. You can put in a code and a description for each item. Click the X to remove an item and confirm OK to remove that item. Next, under Discipline, Enter data by student, you can record incidents about each student as well as review any previous incidents. Type in the student number or any part of the student's name. The screen will display any previous incidents, with the most recent incidents listed first. To add a new incident, click Add Item at the bottom, and then put in the behavior, the result, indicate whether the result has been completed or not, and any point value, the location, such as the classroom, and the reason given. Then you can put in notes with any details about it, and then click Save. You can click on Edit to review any previous incident, and then do further changes or edits to the incident. You can also click Remove to remove an incident from the record. We can use Discipline, Enter Data by List to quickly enter a series of incidents for a list of students. We put in the student number or name of the student, the behavior, and the result, and any notes or point value we want to put in, including the location and the reason. And then repeat for any other students you want to assign information to at once. And then click Save when you're done. You can give teachers access to discipline, allowing them to view previous discipline incidents, as well as report new incidents directly from the classroom. When teachers use WebTess to enter attendance or grades, they can select a class and then click the Discipline button for a student. Then they can enter a new incident along with the details. These incidents become part of the student's record and can be seen by the administration. Under Discipline Reports, we can print reports for individual students, as well as run the behavior list report to find students for any selected behavior code. Just select the students you want to print, click OK, and the date range of incidents, and click OK, and here is the report. Using the Result Not Done report, we can find students who have not yet completed their assigned penalty. In this case, for example, we'll look for students who have been assigned a detention but have not yet completed it during the range of dates we choose from. Under Discipline Reports, we can also print statistics reports based on any behavior, penalty, location, or reason. These statistics reports will show the number of incidents with totals by grade level and gender.